Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You open Drive, create a new Google Doc, and immediately title it so nothing gets lost. Start with page setup, margins, font, and spacing to match the assignment rubric. Then draft a 1 to 2 sentence thesis and a quick outline with headings. This gives structure while you work. Once done, enable version history and a backup copy. These initial actions cut wasted time and keep your content aligned with grading expectations. You begin drafting under the headings you created, writing in full sentences but keeping sections short for easier revision. Use suggesting mode when you want editable feedback and add comments to ask peers or your instructor-specific questions. Use the Explore tool to find sources and insert citations quickly, then compile them into a bibliography section. Make sure to set sharing permissions, viewer, commenter, or editor, so you run spelling and grammar checks, read the document aloud to catch flow issues, and review version history to confirm final changes. Export the file as a PDF or Word document if the assignment requires a specific format, or copy the share link and verify permissions. If something goes wrong, like a missing comment or broken link, make sure your sharing settings are correct, disable conflicting browser extensions, and reload. Most sync problems resolve with a quick refresh and reconfirmed permissions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.